Hi, friends! Today we're going to be looking for colors and shapes all around our classroom. Do you think you could help me? Let's start with colors. What are your favorites? At our classroom table, round table, or in our classroom library, we have so many color books. I'll have a bunch recorded if you want them read to you in class or before. What's your favorite color? Can you guess mine? It's green. I'm going to try to find something green, like my stories. What do you think it could be? My green frog. Perfect. He's going to be my inspiration. All right. Next up, we need shapes. We read in our story that Alma Thomas used shapes. Hmm. Shape is this one. A circle. Perfect. We're going to use this tape to tape down our paintings so they don't wiggle around. A circle. And when we paint, we're making a shape. That's like a square. That's perfect. What other shapes can you find? When we make art, we can use any colors and shapes we like. I feel really happy when I use green. So I'm going to use a lot of green. What color do you think you want to use? Let's get ready to make art like Alma Thompson. Bring your favorite color to the table and put it next to your color book or find a color crayon or marker. Let's create together.